Hi friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. 3.4.5 Solved Problems. Problem number 3. Transform the equation 3x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0 into first slope intercept form, second intercept form and third normal form. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to transform the given equation into slope intercept form and normal form. Now we have to solve the problem. Solution. Given equation is 3x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. First problem. Slope intercept form. We know that slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c. Now we will transform equation number 1 into y equal to mx plus c. 1 implies 3x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. To transform above equation into slope intercept form, first we send x term and constant terms into right hand side of the equation. Then 4y equal to minus 3x minus 12. Next, divide the above equation with coefficient of y on both sides. Then 4y by 4 equal to minus 3x minus 12 by 4. From this, y equal to minus 3x by 4 minus 12 by 4. Then y equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 3. Therefore, y equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 3 is the slope intercept form of given equation with slope m equal to minus 3 by 4 and y intercept c equal to minus 3. Second, intercept form. We know that intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Now, we will transform equation 1 into x by a plus y by b equal to 1. For that, 1 implies 3x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. To transform above equation into intercept form, first we send constant term into right hand side of the equation. Then 3x plus 4y equal to minus 12. Next, we turn constant term into 1. For that, we divide the above equation with minus 12 on both sides of the equation. Then we have 3x by minus 12 plus 4y by minus 12 equal to minus 12 by minus 12. From this, after simplification, x by minus 4 plus y by minus 3 equal to 1. Therefore, x by minus 4 plus y by minus 3 equal to 1 is the intercept form of given equation with x-intercept a equal to minus 4 and y-intercept b equal to minus 3. Third, normal form. We know that normal form straight line equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Now, we will transform equation 1 into x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. For that, 1 implies 3x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. Compare equation number 1 with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then a equal to 3, b equal to 4, c equal to 12. For reducing the given equation into normal form, we have find square root of a square plus b square value. Now, square root of a square plus b square equal to square root of 3 square plus 4 square, that is equal to square root of 9 plus 16. From this, equal to root 25. Root 25 value is equal to 5. 1 implies 3x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. To transform the above equation into normal form, first we send the constant term into right hand side of the equation, that is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 12. Next, turn constant term into positive. Further, we will multiply above equation with minus 1, we have, that is minus 3x minus 4y equal to 12. Next, we will divide the above equation with square root of a square plus b square value, that is minus 3x by 5 minus 4y by 5 equal to 12 by 5. From this, minus 3 by 5 into x plus minus 4 by 5 into y equal to 12 by 5. This is equation number 2. Compare equation number 2 with normal form equation, that is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Then cos alpha equal to minus 3 by 5, sin alpha equal to minus 4 by 5 and p equal to 12 by 5. From these values, cos alpha comma sin alpha values, we can find tan alpha, that is tan alpha equal to sin alpha by cos alpha. Here substitute sin alpha cos alpha values, then minus 4 by 5 by minus 3 by 5 equal to 4 by 3. Then tan alpha equal to 4 by 3. From this, alpha equal to tan inverse 4 by 3. Cos alpha, sin alpha are negative and tan alpha is positive, then alpha belongs to Q3. If alpha belongs to Q3, then the angle is in 180 plus theta form or 270 minus theta form. That is alpha equal to pi plus theta. Then alpha equal to pi plus tan inverse of 4 by 3. Therefore, minus 3 by 5 into x plus minus 4 by 5 into y equal to 12 by 5 is the normal form equation with cos alpha equal to minus 3 by 5, sin alpha equal to minus 4 by 5, comma p equal to 12 by 5 and alpha equal to pi plus tan inverse of 4 by 3. This is our given problem solution. 3.4.5 solved problems. Problem number 4. If the area of the triangle formed by the straight lines x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y equal to a. Here a is greater than 0 is 6. Find the value of a. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to find the unknown value a. For that, we have to given that three lines and these 3 lines forms a triangle with area 6. Now we will solve the problem. Solution. Given straight line equations are x equal to 0, equation number 1, y equal to 0, equation number 2 and 3x plus 4y equal to a, equation number 3. In the above equations 1 and 2 are the equations of y-axis and x-axis respectively. For finding area, we turn equation 3 into intercept form because the triangle formed by coordinate axis and equation 3. We know that the area of triangle with sides x-axis, y-axis and the straight line is half into modulus AB, where a comma b are x-intercept and y-intercept respectively. Then 3 implies 3x plus 4y equal to a. This is equation turned into intercept form. For that, divide above equation with a on both sides. Then 3x by a plus 4y by a equal to 1. From that, x by a by 3 plus y by a by 4 equal to 1. This is equation number 4. The equation 4 is in the intercept form with x-intercept a equal to a by 3 and y-intercept b equal to a by 4. Given the area of triangle formed by the given 3 lines is 6. That is area equal to 6. We know that the area of triangle formed by x-axis, y-axis and equation 4 is half into modulus AB. That is half into AB equal to 6. From this, AB equal to 12. Substitute here a comma b values. That means x-intercept and y-intercept values. Then a by 3 into a by 4 equal to 12. Then a square by 12 equal to 12. From this, a square equal to 144. From this, we find a equal to 12. And a equal to minus 12 is not taken because a is greater than 0. Therefore, the value of a equal to 12. This is our given problem solution. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.